Hi guys, this is Sala Radhika, your personal tarot card reader. I'm a numerologist, Reiki healer, and angel therapist, and I'm also a writer. Today's pick a card reading will be special for something like it will be based on an answer from your spirit guides, your ascended masters, your archangels, and your own higher self regarding to your any kind of situation. It will be an yes and no answer regarding to anything. So just pick pile number A, pile number B, pile number C, and pile number D. uh, Firstly think about whatever you want to know. Then please make sure that make a wise and pure intention whatever for whatever you want to think or whatever you want to know. Like it will be a guided message from angels, so just please uh, think before whatever you are asking for. Then focus on A, B, and C and D pile. So for now, please meditate for 2 minutes. Pile number A, pile number B, and C. Let's see what is for which pile your intention is saying to you. Like, okay, this one is your answer. So choose between pile number A, B, and C and D. All right? Okay. So let's see what's your message from your angels, your higher self, your spirit guides, or in whom you believe. Okay, so let's get your message here for pile number A. Whoever choose pile number A, B, C, and D. All right. So what I'm seeing here, it's like juggling between two things. Like you're very confused between two things. Maybe it could be about career or about life or about job, something. It could be about anything, guys, because this is situation where you are juggling between two things. Like should I choose this, should I choose this, or where should I go, should I do this or don't do this, something like this. So and I think you have everything to make sure that okay, I can do this. You have that power, you have uh, everything, like that intention, that power, that capability, that quality. That means you are capable for that, but you are confused between these two things, or situation is not according to that. Like should I do this now or after some time? It could be something like this. Or should I believe them or not believe them? It could be about anything, because this is a yes and no answer about anything. And uh, you guys could be so many. So take it how it resonates with your situation. You are very creative person, as I'm seeing. You could be a Leo sign, you could be an Aries sign, or Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn also I'm seeing. Aquarius, Gemini, and Libra I'm also seeing. But and it's like you are ready to take decisions, but still you are thinking, should I? It's like, should I believe them? Should I start it now? Should I start it first or something after some time? Like this kind of situation I'm getting. Also I'm getting your vibe just like this. So let's see what's the other messages from angels. All right. The very first thing that I wanna tell you guys, that you guys are supported. The first thing, you are. Now you are on the right path, and these two messages are same for you, because I think whatever you wanna choose, you can do this both work, because you are on the right path. Like your intuition highly guiding to you, like just do it. Okay, just do it. I want to do this both. I just can't leave. Or maybe it could be like one is career and something else is about somebody. It could be about a person. Like you don't want to lose these both. These are very precious for you, and you want to manifest them in your life, or something you are manifesting right now in your life. All right. and angels are saying you are supportive, and you could be a person who supports other with your capabilities. You have that capability inside of you, and you support them, you support everybody. Also like for whatever you are asking for, that means you are working as a supporting person also like this, or somebody is also supporting to you in this situation. So just free yourself, and because sometimes we catch ourselves in a very heavy cage, so this could be very very tough and heavy for us. Just free yourself. All right. All right. You guys could be spiritual workers also, which I'm getting a vibe like and the message is here. Archangel Metatron wanna speak to you, number 7, and very spiritual number. This is, it's like a work. You are on the right path, and universe is saying to you, you guys are on the right path, and even the work is very nice, which I am getting the vibe. An important achievement, self discipline and willpower, also public recognition. So this is very important for you to choose between these two things, and be willing to forgive. Ask the angels to clear your mind and body to past pain in exchange for peacefulness. All right. Attending and giving speeches is part of your spiritual path and purpose. Be open to teaching and learning. uh, okay. One thing that I wanna clear here is like, some of you guys could be spiritual workers. That's clearly I'm getting a vibe. Like you could be social workers, you could be speakers, uh, you could be anybody who works for others. All right. And like you have the way you are choosing, it's like, okay, which one should I choose? Once again I'm getting this vibe. All right. So be willing to forgive. What does it mean? That means something happened in your past, and still I think you are absorbing you have already absorbed that energy inside of you, and now the universe is saying to you that it's time to shine. Do your work, and free yourself from any kind of heavy pain, heavy burden. uh, like, it's like past has been gone. Okay, just remember what you did or what did you learn. Only remember that lessons. uh, don't take that back in your life now, because now you have to be moved forward. Angels are saying this, and be willing to forgive yourself. That means you are innocent, you had done nothing wrong, so just don't blame yourself for anything. So angels are saying it is an yes from angels. Whatever you are doing, please wait. Why wait? Because you have to decide one thing which is very much important for you, and for which you are capable for. But all over this is an yes answer. What for whatever you are asking for, it is an yes answer. For some of you it could be like a, all right. So for the spiritual workers, and they are like, you guys have to work. All right. And one is spiritual way, other is something else, like wholly different than this. Then this could be the situation like, what should I choose now? Because my intuition is saying that, all right, do this spiritual work. This is made for you, this is meant for you. You have to do this. You are made you have the energies to help others. This could be the situation for some of you. Then you could, then the answer is wait. You have to wait for the situation. It will unfold ultimately, and the universe will provide you the answer. Even and if you guys are not, still you are not sure, please email me so that I can tap into your energy. Okay, so this is for you, but all over this is an yes answer, so don't be confused. because I don't think that everybody goes on the spiritual paths. This is a simple life, and being spiritual, it doesn't mean that being an hectic person. All right, so this is for pile number A. Now let's see what's the message of pile number B. Okay, so here I'm seeing like the situation is very heavy, and like a lot of burden you have on you, a lot of work, a lot of responsibilities I'm seeing here. Also responsibilities of children's also. It could be related to your past also, related memories from past, like पास्ट की कुछ मेमोरीज भी आपके दिमाग में आ रही है, कुछ मेंटली इशू मुझे, या किसी फॉर समबडी स्पेशल आई एम फीलिंग लाइक देयर आर सम इश्यूज विद द माइंड ऑल्सो. आई एम सीइंग लाइक मेंटलिटी issue. I'm not saying that psycho person is here, but definitely, because there are a lot of burden, energy is coming from past, or for some of you it could be related to the children's, a very like you have been single for a time, and now uh, you just can't handle this situation. It's been tough for you, and you are something old memories, you are like remembering, you are missing that old memories with your children's, with your family. Okay, and now you have been wholly alone, and it's okay to be alone. I'm not saying this way, because it's for some of you it is okay to be in your power. It doesn't mean that being alone is like okay, I'm going in darkness. It is not okay for me. I'm hearing like this is good for some of you. It is good to be like in your power, like you you love yourself first. For whatever you do first yourself. Okay, so this is I'm getting for some of you, and also, but for many of you I'm getting like vibration, a very high vibration, like a very heavy burden you guys are taking with you, a lot of burden, lot of responsibility, a lot of thoughts, a lot of work. This could be for you, and the situation is like, am I the alone? How will I be able to do this all the things being alone? This something could be like this, and the answer is in this still. Yes, let's the message. Let's see the other messages from angels. All right. An unwise choice. Learn what you can from this situation. Review everyone's motive. So if you guys are asking for a particular situation, that means you have been through that situation, you have been through that past painful situation, that has been gone, it has been gone, the energies has been gone. So don't help like hold back on that, because don't make an unwise choice. The war has end. Okay, so cancel, clear and delete. Use only positive words and thoughts as they are rapidly manifesting into form. Ask the angels to cancel the effects of past negative thinking. So guys, now whatever you are doing, it will be good for you. Whatever you are doing, just don't think that it will be painful as it was in the past. So it doesn't mean that something, if you are doing once again, you are doing your work again, being alone, or you guys, or you don't have any kind of partnership with it, or you need somebody as a partner. Don't think so, because I'm seeing that being single and alone, you can do this. Focus upon divine perfect health. I think some of you could be tensed about your health also. So the angels are saying focus upon your health, so definitely you need to focus upon your health. Also you are protected. You guys are freedom lover, like those who can choose their work from their wish, and they can do their work also. All Right, it is safe for you to love. For some of you, whoever is asking for the love, this is this person is maybe coming from your past, and this person is safe for you to love. It is okay to be with this person, even or if not in relationship, maybe could be best as a best friend, as a guider, because maybe he came to help you. He or she could be anybody. Maybe he came to help you, and you guys are protected. So for the this file, I am seeing the answer is yes. For whatever you are asking, the answer is yes. All right, guys. So this is all I have for you. File number 2 or B. Comment down below and share your story with me. Okay, so this is file number 3. Sorry, sometimes C or 3, I forget that. Oh. Success is everywhere, universe is interfering. You could be a Leo, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, and Aquarius. I'm also seeing here. Like there's a pressure, there's a passionate, shiny energy is coming in this file, and like the decision you wanna make is like in two ways, like mentally and emotionally. You wanna be balanced, and I think mentally you are not balanced with the thing, but you can see the power in the work, whatever you wanna choose, and you like you wanna explore the things. For some of you, it could be related to a journey, for sure. Um, it will be okay. Being clearly, I will say that you will need a lot of money, and something like you are being hesitate to share something. Like, should I share my thoughts? Should I share whatever you wanna sharing in the point? Uh, so I'm seeing like holding back, holding your energies, whatever you want to say something, if you want to say something, if you want to share, like if you want to share your money, if you want to invest somewhere, so you are holding on that, you are holding on emotions, you just don't know. And it's like a teamwork for you. Whatever you want to do, it's like a very heavy and a powerful, passionate energy I'm seeing here. And you are very sincere, pure person. Okay, so it's like I really don't understand why this all is happening in this way, because you are holding back on this situation. You just don't realize that you are holding back in this situation. You are saying that all right, I'm doing fine. Awakening. So you need that knowledge. You need that power. So Archangel Gabriel is saying, Archangel Gabriel who help you to know your purpose, to know your work. Okay, so look at things from a different perspective. A temporary standstill, it's important to be yourself. So this is very important for you to recognize your own energies, to work on those energies, and like you need to understand who you are, what is your job, what you should do. It is okay to be with somebody and to work with someone, but this is the time where you need to decide, you need to go there, or like you are holding on this situation. Don't hold it too tightly, because sometimes it is not all right. Now your angels are saying, have you asked angels for help with this situation? So definitely, like you are whatever you are doing, you are not guided for this, and your situation is calling to you. Call your angels now, because they can only guide you for this situation, because you are holding back your situation. A bright future is waiting for you. You just need to recognize your energy, because I'm seeing a bright future is waiting for you, but it is you yourself who is holding back your own energies. So guys, think positively and listen your intuition, what your angels say, what your higher self is trying to tell you. Your angels want to help you with this situation, however they require your permission before they can intervene in your free will choices. Definitely, you are a free will, like you can choose whatever you want to do, but sometimes it is required for us to take guidance from others, take asking for help. It is okay, it's not a bad way. Okay. It is important for you to do some exercises, which I'm like getting a vibe, like you need to work on yourself, also exercises, or like you need to emphasize your own energies, you need to understand your powers. For some of you it could be like you need to work on yoga, or need to take yoga classes, or any kind of exercises. And let go of control issues, don't control the situation, don't hold back. This is your answer. And self respect, what is self respect? It doesn't about being in a uh, permanent situation. Self respect is something else. It is like, okay, I'm doing my best way, I'm becoming the best version of myself, this is my own calling, and I'm working on that. This is the voice you need to hear from your angels, like you need to respect yourself. This is your answer. And for some of you, you guys could be writers also, content writer, story writer, script writer, something related to writing books, or listening books, reading books related to writing, or some any creative like creative work. For some of you, if you guys are asking for the relationship, the answer is flirt. That means you could be best friends, you could be good friends. Not yes for relationship, I'm not saying it is yes, but it is okay to share time with. All right, so this is an mm, 80% yes. Why 80%? Because you your you are stopping yourself to go towards 100%. You need to understand your energy, you need to work upon that. So for the other 20%, you need to hear your angels, hear your own voice, then it will be 100% yes. All right, so I hope this reading resonate with you. And still if you are confused, then you guys can make a private reading with me. The You guys could email me also. So let's see what's the message pile number 4 have. Emotionally hit back, guys, what's going on? Depression, anxiety, you guys need clarity. Bored with the things, what's going on? Emotions are not going on well, holding on something past energies are still with you. And it could be in your relationship also, like some old energies are still with you. You guys need a clarity, you want a new beginning, a new clarity, you wanna know the truth. And you wanna be success or recognize in something, or you wanna like, okay, people should listen to me, you can say this. And I want to share my thoughts with the people, and I want that people should recognize me, or they say yes to me, like whatever I say they need to convince with me, something like this. All right, very emotional people, whoever choose this file, or something related to emotions. So because Archangel Michael is saying, ask Archangel Michael with this situation. He is especially Archangel Michael himself saying that please call upon me, I am here to help you with this situation. So definitely I'm saying your situation is not going on well. You guys are like, the past has been gone, but still you are bored with the things, and you are thinking like it can't happen like this, nothing new can start now, and I have lost everything. Like it's like somebody someone's death already has been, but now still you are in that pain. Why did he left me? Okay, something like this. The past energies has been gone, guys. You need to understand that. You need to stand up again, you need to come again, you need to face the voice of others, you need to face the challenges, you need to face others, right? You need to come in light. Just definitely. So the angel message for you is law of attraction. So law of attraction, what is law of attraction? Whatever universe gives us, it is law of attraction. Relationship and activities that you once enjoyed are now changing as you become more sensitive and aware of energies. So relationship and activities that you once enjoyed are now changing. Exactly. Whatever happened in the past, it's now changing. It doesn't mean that it will happen again in that bad way, in that painful way, because it has changed. Now situation is changing, everything is changing, because now the universe is doing its work, and it's like showing a blessing upon you. So don't hold on that past energies. As you become more sensitive and aware of energies, you need to know everything about the other thing also. This is your answer, guys. And a contented and rewarding family life, your emotional and material needs are met, trustworthy relationships. Okay, I'll clarify this card also. Chemistry, opportunity, options, unlikely. Like if you wanna know the yes or no, it's like you know that it is good, but you are not ready to accept it, because somehow you are holding back on the past. For whatever you are asking, it has the opportunity to move forward. You can go forward with this opportunity, I think. Or for some of you it could be like opportunities are coming to you when you will say yes to the future and no to the past. Just like that, the past energies has been gone, just learn whatever you can learn from the past, but don't hold back on that situation, because it has been already gone. The time has been gone. Now the time is something else, and now you are somewhere else, you are somebody else, because your own energies are changing. So just focus on that thing. All right. So, and you have options to choose. Like I can like you have that power inside of you. You can create your identity, you know the truth inside of you, but you are like hesitating yourself, you are like holding back to yourself to say the truth, or to speak the truth. Also for some of you this is for relationship like chemistry. You guys are sharing a good bonding with each other. Keep have faith on each other. This is good. I'm not saying permanently for any kind of relationship, but this is good for the relationship. The person is good for whomever you are requiring. This person is trustworthy, and you guys are sharing very good chemistry. That means you feel good with them, and emotionally and mentally sorry, mentally not, emotionally you are bonded with this person, and they provide you all kind of happiness also. So in the yes or no, this is an yes answer, 100%. But for that you guys need to listen your voice, listen your intuition, just meditate. The very most important message I'm hearing for you is that meditate. You guys need to meditate on things, meditate on whatever you want to know, whatever answer you want to know from universe. It will provide you all the answers, because it has each and every answer for each and every one of us. So this is your answer, yes. 90% is yes. The 10% why left? Because now you need to make the change, you need to change your mindset, because somehow you are holding back. You are like, I'm done with the things, and I don't trust anybody. I don't want to go with somewhere, and I don't think so that someone will be okay for me, or I think somebody cheated to me in the past, and they will something, it will happen again with me. It doesn't mean like this. So be move forward, because the future is waiting for you, and it is very good. Take your decision and be your true self. This is your message from angels. And ask Archangel Michael. He is highly saying that ask to me, so that I can change your situation, I can change your mind, I can change your thought, so that you can move forward fearlessly. So ask Archangel Michael, he will help you for this situation. Alright guys, so this is all I have for you. I hope this reading resonate with you. For private reading, please email me, and we'll be here again with another pick a card. And if you guys have any special message, any special requirement for any special pick a card, please message me and send me the message also. And thank you.